Stop. 1965 Washington quarter dollar. Check your pocket right now. If you have a Washington quarter sitting in your wallet or your change jar or the cup holder of your truck, you may be holding a piece of the $9 million in rare quarters still circulating in America today. The United States Mint made critical mistakes between 1965 and they tried to bury them. The coin dealers have been quietly pulling them out of circulation for 50 years. And what is left out there is yours for the taking, if you know what to look for. Today I am counting down for specific Washington quarters, for dates you cannot afford to spend. Starting with number 4 and building to the single most valuable Washington quarter still circulating in America right now. The one worth $9 million on the open market. Stay until the end, because what you are about to hear will change the way you look at every quarter you ever touch again. Here is what most Americans do not know. In 1965, the United States government did something to your money that they have never fully explained. For 73 years, every Washington quarter ever produced was struck in 90% pure silver. Real silver. The kind that retains value. The kind that protects wealth. Then in 1965, it stopped. The mint switched. Number 3. The 1972 Washington quarter. Next comes one of the most mysterious modern quarters ever discussed among collectors. The 1972 Washington quarter. Most 1972 quarters are common. Millions were produced at the Denver Mint, and the majority are only worth face value. However, a tiny number display rare striking anomalies and die errors that dramatically increase their value. One of the most sought-after varieties involves double die features, where portions of the design appear slightly doubled due to misalignment during the die creation process. Collectors carefully inspect the lettering, date, and Washington's profile under magnification, searching for these subtle but valuable differences. Another issue with many 1972 quarters is weak striking quality. Coins with unusually sharp details stand out because most examples from that year were poorly struck. High-grade specimens with crisp details, strong luster, and minimal wear are surprisingly difficult to find. In recent years, pristine examples certified by professional grading services have sold for thousands of dollars. While not every 1972 quarter is valuable, the possibility keeps collectors searching through rolls of change and old family collections. The lesson is simple. Condition matters. Two quarters with the exact same date can have dramatically different values depending on strike quality, preservation, and minting errors.